My name's Mike Hammer, General Manager at Lee Hyundai. Thank you for choosing Lee Hyundai to service your vehicle, and welcome to the Lee Hyundai family. We'd like to take a few moments and introduce you to the award-winning Lee Hyundai Service Center. Here's a message from our service manager, Scott Wester.
We appreciate the confidence you have placed in us by choosing Lee Hyundai with your business. We would like to let you know that we are here to provide a quality customer experience for you and your vehicle. Upon arrival, simply drive your vehicle into one of our climate-controlled service lanes. You will be greeted by one of our factory-trained service advisors who will listen to what you need, check for any open service campaigns and bulletins, and review your maintenance schedule. While your vehicle is being serviced, relax in our comfortable lounge complete with TV, Cumberland County Roasters coffee, and free Wi-Fi. At Lee Hyundai, we are committed to your continued satisfaction with your new Hyundai. Just need a quick oil change and filters? We've added a dedicated quick maintenance area called Car Care Express. We use Valvoline synthetic blend oil in place of conventional oil, and we use OEM factory filters that are made of higher quality and longer lasting material than a standard filter. All of our technicians are Hyundai trained and certified. They will perform a multi-point inspection free of charge. You'll have a peace of mind knowing that we staff master certified technicians. Our senior tech is one of the longest tenured technicians in the country. He's been servicing vehicles at Lee Hyundai for over 28 years. All of our technicians take a continuing training program and use the latest technology and equipment. Carlos, our parts manager, stocks a huge inventory including a large selection of tires and accessories at competitive prices for your convenience. To schedule service, visit us online at leehyundai.com, press your blue link button, or call 910-864-7100 option 2. Again, thank you for your business. We look forward to servicing you here at Lee Hyundai, where we do business the right way.